To dispute a Venmo transaction, start by logging into your Venmo account and navigating to the transaction history page. Locate the transaction you want to dispute and click on it to view the details. If you believe the transaction is incorrect or unauthorized, click on the three dots next to the transaction and select Dispute this transaction. You will be asked to choose a reason for disputing the transaction, such as incorrect amount, unauthorized transaction, or incorrect recipient. Select the most applicable reason and provide a brief description of the issue. Venmo will then ask you to confirm the dispute and provide additional information if necessary. You may be asked to provide proof of the error, such as a receipt or a bank statement. Make sure to review the information carefully before submitting the dispute. Once you have submitted the dispute, Venmo will review the transaction and may contact the other party involved. You can check the status of the dispute by logging into your account and navigating to the transaction history page. It is essential to act quickly when disputing a transaction, as there may be time limits for filing a dispute. Additionally, keep in mind that disputing a transaction may affect your relationship with the other party involved. So it is crucial to only dispute transactions that are truly incorrect or unauthorized. It is also important to note that Venmo has a dedicated customer support team that can assist you with disputing a transaction. If you are having trouble disputing a transaction or need additional guidance, you can contact Venmo support directly. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute a Venmo transaction and resolve any issues with your account. Remember to stay vigilant and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues.